Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This property boasts an unfinished potential dream home, which is a good starter home and is located on half acre of land in Ritchies, Clarendon. It has 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, completely livable on the ground floor, and 4 bedroom with 2 bathrooms on the upper floor, which is incomplete and can be constructed to the liking of the buyer. The property also holds a 2-car garage. The view from upstairs is breathtaking as the property is well fruited. There are 2 water tanks on the property. Internet and water from the main can be easily accessed in the area if needs be. Do not let this opportunity pass you by. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 18 million or US $116.9 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.